Hi Frank. Thank you for taking the time to do our solar. It's nice to know that I won't be in danger if our power goes out. I can't tell you how grateful I am for everything you've been doing to make this all possible. Thank you so much.
And I mean, you're so very welcome. And I'm actually totally stunned by all the technology here, and being an engineer myself, it's just fascinating for me to see what we actually can achieve and do for our personal life and in any aspect. And yeah, and having that solar system for you and really securing your electricity is just a huge achievement, and I'm really happy and proud that we can do this for you and secure your lifestyle here. And again, I'm totally blown away and fascinated by everything and how well you guys actually handle that too. I mean, you really commit your life to this, and yeah, so this is just awesome to see. Again, I'm very proud to be able to provide you that solution to make your life easier.
Thank you so much.
Yes, it's so cool. You're very welcome. I'm extremely happy here.